Hello everybody, I'm Stephen Kowalczyk, the cocktail chef, and today we're going to make a drink using ginger syrup. So to start off with, we made a ginger syrup. The easiest way to make a ginger syrup is I take whole ginger root, I remove the skin, chop it down, then I actually add it to a coffee maker. I fill the basket with the chopped ginger, and then I run a pot of coffee, which is not coffee, of course, it's a ginger tea. So at that point, I take the ginger tea, add it into a container of some sort, and add sugar, building it up into a syrup. The other way to do it is if you get a pot of some sort, put it on a stove, boiling water, add your chopped ginger into it, and let that steep. Once that's steeped for a while, then you're going to remove it, strain it out, and then add your sugar, building it up to a syrup. So we did that ahead of time, did our prep for this cocktail, and now we're off to make our drink. So what we're going to do is start with our lime juice. We're going to take fresh lime, and we're just going to squeeze that right in there. And make sure you get all that good juice. And these are easy to hand squeeze. I don't have to use a hand juicer. Just squeeze it all in there, and I'm actually going to add the half of that because once I shake it, all the pulp starts to loosen up. At that point, I'm going to add my ginger simple syrup. Very nice, and that's going to counteract and bind with the citrus, and that's going to create a balanced base for this cocktail. Now I'm going to add 1.5 ounces of vodka, and this cocktail is ready to shake. There we go. Now, we're going to cap it and shake it down. Shake it very good. You want this nice and cold and ready to serve. And you can always tell when it starts to get cold by the condensation. So let's strain it and drain it. Make sure you don't waste anything. And pour it right off into our tall glass. So we're going to stop right there. We're going to finish off with ginger ale. And top that drink off beautifully. So there you have a cocktail made with ginger syrup. Enjoy, everyone.